So you want your team members to like you. You want them to like their job. And more importantly, you want them to take responsibilities.
Yes. As a leader, what will you do when one of your team members starts acting out, delaying important projects unnecessarily?
You can complain. Be complacent. Use sandwich method.
When you use this sandwich method, your team members will take responsibility and they will love you as their boss.
These and more after this break. Welcome back. Welcome to Common Sense Philosophy. I'm your host Akeem Adebisi, and today we are discussing how to make your team members like you, like their job, and more importantly, take responsibility for their actions. In Dale Carnegie's most popular book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Chapter 1 said, do not criticize, condemn, or complain. But why? Why shall we not criticize, condemn, or complain if we want to influence people more? A team member is supposed to deliver a job in 3 days. After 5 days, the job is still not done. Do we just take the laissez-faire attitude and be complacent about it? When managers are very complacent about whatever the employees do, the employees often do whatever they like, turning the project upside down, and at the end of the day, the manager doesn't like the situations, neither do the employees like the situation. On the other end of the line, some managers become very deep critics, continuously criticize everything their team members does. Why? They do this because they want perfection on the job. They want the job done a certain way. This arouses a lot of resentment on the part of the employees, on the part of the team members. They often say something like, I don't know what I did for manager so. I don't know what I did for manager Solomon. He's always complaining everything I do. He doesn't like me. In some rare cases, team members often quit their positions because of this criticism of the managers. The middle ground to be, when managing people, is to use the sandwich method for correcting team members. What's this sandwich method, you may ask? And is it written in Dale Carnegie's book? When we have a sandwich, it's layer on layer on layer. Instead of you going direct to the criticism, you first need to praise the employee for what he has been doing right. So, for example, Sam has been very tardy with delivering the project. You need to first praise him. Sam, I appreciate the dedication you've been putting to your work. You've been delivering your project right on time. And the attention that you place on your work is very, very, very encouraging. And we love that about you. However, on this project, you are delaying it too much. And this project is due for submission by so time. It will also bring to his attention some unintended consequences that his action will bring. Continuously delaying this project will soil some of the reputation you already built in this company. I know you won't like that. Then, you need to add another layer to the sandwich, which is a layer of hope and inspiration. Sam, I know that you are more capable of doing something better than this, and I know you will. And we appreciate you working here, giving your best always. This kind of correction do not lead to resentment, neither does it lead to disinterest. Employees are more happy working at their job, doing what they are supposed to do. When you're a team lead, team members are happy doing the work for you, doing the work with you, and achieving the objective together. What other challenges are you currently facing with your team members in your managerial position? Let me know in the comments below. I like to bring to you proven tips to help you get ahead of it and make a successful team. Remember, there are no obstacles to your greatness, but the obstacles you set for yourself. We at Common Sense Philosophy are here to help you remove all those obstacles so that you can be the best you will want to be. Until next week Wednesday, remember to join us next week Wednesday for another episode of Common Sense Philosophy. Until then, bye for now.